Greeting to all directly from Portugal. My name is Guilherme Costa and today I'm going to show you the new Honda E, the first 100% electric city car from Honda, the manufacturer based in the city of Tokyo. I know that the Honda E looks very friendly, but in fact this car is able to go from 0 to 60 in less than 8 seconds thanks to an electric engine with 162 horsepower. But more important than acceleration is the range of this car. And thanks to a battery with 35.5 kilowatt per hour of capacity, this car has a range of 200 kilometers. Will these numbers be enough to conquer the cities all over the world? Or maybe the World Car Awards 2021? We don't know yet, but what do you think about know a little bit better this car in this video? Inspired by the classic Honda N600, the new Honda E has a very compelling and modern design. Every single angle looks good. And it's only me or his front end reminds a house pet. Maybe cute is the right word. Or maybe a four-wheel version of the Asimo, the friendly robot from Honda. In any case, the Honda E is definitely a head turner. When the Honda E passes by, everyone looks. Now that we know the exterior design of the new Honda E, let's take a look inside and trust me, you'll be amazed. Inside you will find a high-tech environment. The dashboard has not one, not two, but 5 screens. The screens on the end of either side are digital rear view mirrors and offers a great resolution even at night. Speaking about the materials, they are very good, the assembly quality is very good as well, and the comfort is excellent. In fact, the Honda E is so comfortable that we decide to invite the former Formula 1 driver Tiago Monteiro to play Super Mario Kart while the battery charges. After a while, guess who won? Yes, me, but let's stick to the virtual races. On the road, the tiny and cute Honda is very easy and comfortable to drive. And I could say fun to drive as well. The engine power is always at our disposal and the McPherson suspension on both axles work seamlessly. And speaking about the performance, you can go from 0 to 60 in more or less 8 seconds. Not bad for such a small car. And speaking about the range, so important in an electric car, it's better to stay close to the city, the Honda E natural habitat. The 200 kilometers of range are real, but don't push it on the highways, it will drop very fast. Available only in the European and Japanese markets, the Honda E have some very direct rivals, like the new Mazda MX-30 and the well-known Smart 44. And speaking about prices, the Honda E isn't cheap at all. But look at him, it's a luxury city car, isn't it? I spent 5 days with the new Honda E and I have to say that it's quite hard not to love this car. Just look at him. He's well designed, well built and also very comfortable. Its range may be short, but is enough for a daily commuter. I hope you enjoyed to meet the new Honda E as much as I love to show it to you. I'm sure of one thing, it will not be easy to choose the 2021 World Car of the Year. Grande abraço from Portugal.
Don't forget too to follow along on social media, Facebook and Instagram. As we take test drives, we'll share those stories there. And you can find all of our videos on YouTube.